Hello and welcome back to another video here at KTN Gaming. So it's a bit cold outside here in South Yorkshire, so I thought I'd do an afternoon of gaming and my favourite Amiga games. Well, Amiga 500 should I say. So in today's game, the first game is Bart Vs The World from The Simpsons. I'll just turn music on. I must say, some of these games have really good music. The following programme has been made possible by a grant from the Springfield Nuclear Power Facility. Put away your homework. Don't touch that remote control. From Springfield to Fiji to your little town. It's the Krusty the Clown Show. Classics. Let's see what this puzzle is. Switch on. A diagram of what order should be in, but you don't let it change. It's only letting you control that one block. So how do you exit out really? See what this chord match does. See what this offers. That didn't work. Well, Maggie's there. Oh, I fell off again. Fell off again. Got its radar controls on it. So how do you get up higher then? See, I love the Simpsons series, but I ain't got a clue what you do. No, sorry, I don't know what you do on that one. So that was Bart versus the World from The Simpsons. You see, a lot of these games, I've copied them, but obviously I might have like spent like 10 minutes on them, and then obviously, I mean, like I said yesterday, I had my favourites. But I mean, that's my plan, to go through just ones I can remember. I mean, there is a lot. There were a lot I played, but obviously, it's um, it's just like remembering them all. It's like a long time ago. Yeah, so that were Bart versus the World. Hope you enjoyed the video, even though it was only like, I didn't really do much like, but just showing you the classics. Yeah, so please like, subscribe if you're enjoying my Amiga stuff, and I'll see you in next one. Pardon me.